Hello friend, welcome back to the electron devices and circuit subject lecture series. Uh, in previous lecture we are discussing the PN junction diode, how to its manufacture, which material is used in PN junction diode, how its work, its application and its limitation. In this lecture we are going to discuss the Zener diode, how its work, what is the parameter for Zener diode, which material are used for manufacturing, how it's work, and what are the application of Zener diode. This is the symbol of normal diode, semiconductor PN junction diode. So diode is a specialized electronic component with it is two terminal device. It's called as one terminal is anode and another terminal is cathode. The most diodes are made up with semiconductor material. All diodes are most of the diodes are made from semiconductor material, that is such as silicon, germanium and selenium. These are the semiconductor materials. And Zener diode history, we just see here the Melvin Zener invented this Zener diode. He was the American physicist who first described the property of considered the breakdown of electrical insulator. This finding were the large exponential by by Bell Lab in the development of Zener diode, which was duly named as after him. Zener is a very famous physician of the America. These are the some basic material and some basics of Zener diode. A Zener diode is a type of diode that permits the current not only in forward direction like normal diode, but also it is in reverse direction. If the voltage is larger than breakdown voltage, then known as Zener key voltage. Zener key voltage or Zener voltage. These are the top view or appearance of Zener diode. These are the number for Zener diode. This is the symbolic representation of Zener diode. Here is the anode terminal is connected here. P-type material, and cathode terminal is connected to N-type material of semiconductor material. The arrowhead is the Zener diode point in the direction of forward current when the diode is in forward bias. The Zener diode is normally operate in a reverse bias. I already told you the Zener diode is always operate in reverse bias normally at a breakdown and current direction of the this is a breakdown, and the current direction is opposite to the voltage direction because current is flow from anode terminal to cathode. This is the symbolic representation of that. This is the circuit diagram or example of voltage regulator. Here showing the Zener diode circuit. The most basic Zener diode circuit consists of single Zener diode and one resistor. Resistor is used to uh, limit the current, excess amount of current, to limit the current. For that is connected in series. The Zener diode provides the reference voltage, but the series resistor must be placed to limit the current into the diode. Otherwise the large amount of current flow through the circuit and the diode will be destroyed. That's why to limit the excess amount of current, that's why are used to here the resistor are used. This is the equation of current by Ohm's law. I equal to V by R. Same equation here. V1 is the applied voltage and V2 is the voltage across the Zener diode, and R is the resistor value. whatever the current flow is from is this circuit, we got the current here. Here the your question comes in your mind, what should select, how, what value should be selected here for register. It's only totally depends upon our application, how much current we require to output and how much voltage we require to output. On that, on the basis of that, we select the register value. These are the circuit diagram of output voltage across diode. Zener diode is that Zener voltage, output voltage. These are the symbolic representation of Zener diode. Is in forward bias. When the anode terminal is connected to positive terminal of the battery, then the Zener diode work as a voltage is in forward bias. Then these are the current. This the current is it is forwarded as a normal diode. This circuitry work as a normal diode in forward bias side. Through it, these are the actual representation. This some here the some mistake is there in circuitry. The diodic arrow is from out that side. Okay, so this um, in case of reference reverse bias, current is practically zero, and if the certain voltage which is called as Zener voltage, the current is sharply increased. When the Zener voltage or breakdown voltage is equal to applied voltage, then current is suddenly changed. Current is suddenly changed to some range. For that is Zener voltage, which is diode is breakdown rating, which is specified the max voltage that can be dropped across it. These are the circuitry. This is the characteristics of normal diode or other PN junction diode. The figure shows the forward characteristics of the same circuit in forward bias junction diode. These are the forward voltage. In this x-axis and y-axis is the forward current. These are the reasons. This is the Zener diode characteristics is that suppose the in reverse bias the sorry for the disturbance here. In a reverse bias direction, the characteristics of Zener diode, the current between 0 volt to Zener voltage, that is tiny amount of current, that is very negligible, that is also called as leakage current. When the voltage reaches the breakdown voltage Vz, suddenly current flow through it. These are the breakdown voltage. Here the condition is that the range of -1, -2, -3, these are the voltage range. If the voltage is going to the reach for the maximum of that equal to Vz is equal to applied voltage, means applied voltage Va is equal to Vz, then the excessive amount of the current is suddenly increase. That is showing in the characteristics of the this diagram. Here the notice is notice that the characteristics of the Zener diode is here. For that the notice that the reverse voltage is increased, the leakage current remains the essential constant unit, the breakdown voltage. The voltage reach where is the increase dramatically. Here the showing is characteristics of the here is manufacture or how the manufacture is there done. The Zener effect is always type of electrical breakdown in reverse biased PN junction diode, in which the electric field enable the tuning. These are the theory for that. In the PN junction diode, normally p-type material and n-type material are used here. In Zener also same, but the connection is reverse. Here the positive terminal is connected to n-type of material and negative terminal is connected to p-type of material. The applied voltage is greater than breakdown voltage, then very minority charge carrier number of free electron minority charge carriers is suddenly increase the reverse current. The flow of current is suddenly increased by applied voltage is greater than Zener voltage. At that time the current is very rapidly flow from the circuit. flow from this diode. This is the showing here. Okay, the some basic parameter of the Zener diode is required to select the Zener diode is in circuit, any circuit. The Zener voltage featured must be specified the most common range in Zener voltage, that is 3.3 volt to 75 volt. Over, however, the voltage output the range are available, whatever the range is available, but the 3.3 is the minimum range for the Zener diode. The tolerance of specified voltage must be started, while the most popular tolerance are 5% and 10% more precision. Tolerance also low as 0.5% availability. The test current IGEL. The must be specified with the voltage and tolerance. Third parameter is the power handling capability must be specified for the general diode. The popular power range are 1.4 0.25 comma 0.5 1 5 10 and 15 watts is the power range for that. And some most common application of Zener diode is here. Zener regulator. Zener diode as a voltage regulator. Zener diode as a voltage regulator. Here in the market, 78 series 78XX 79XX is the voltage regulator IC is available in the market. But the as compared to the Zener diode, the value of that IC is cost of value cost of that IC is more as compared to the Zener diode. So in and size also is more for that. So we add as compared for the our application, we use as a Zener diode as a voltage regulator. You can use and comparator, Zener voltage as act as comparator also. Suppose we have to use uh, some breakdown voltage or some range. After the that range, we have to limit the current or limit the voltage. For that we have to compare that to value after input and output value as a comparator. Is also limiter, it's limit the current. And Zener, it act as a power supply. In power supply also we can use as a Zener diode as a voltage regulator in a power supply, or in also mobile charger we can use the Zener diode as a voltage regulator, because we require only 5 volt for that. At that time we can use this as the Zener diode as a voltage regulator and in power supply also. Thank you for watching. In next lecture, if any query, please comment on that. I definitely reach to your comment question for that. So in next lecture we are going to discuss the tunnel diode, and related to the how we manufacture, which type of material are used for that, and how to work, how it's work, all like this. If any regarding any question, then please comment on my channel. I will read to your question. Thank you for watching. See you again.